What's going on YouTube? What's good, guys? I got an exclusive video. I'm going to do some maintenance on my #1 retro 12 release Air Jordans. I'm going to do some maintenance on my soles. As you can see, it's a little yellowing. So we're going to apply some volume 40 Pure White. So I got my gloves on, I got my Q-tips, and I got my saran wrap, and also I got my sun. But yeah, so let's get into this video real quick. I'm gonna apply this volume 40 onto the bottoms of these soles to remove some yellowing. It's not that much yellowing, but yeah, so I put some on this one already. We'll do the next one. Just simple maintenance. Trying to keep my shoes fresh. Yeah. Alright. So now I'm applying it to the soles. Next step, saran wrap it. I'm gonna put it outside for probably for 1 hour, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna get. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I got the shoes outside. Saran wrap, direct sunlight. So I can only do one side at a time. So probably like 30 minutes and flip it. Stay tuned. Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm back at it, and I have the final product. I just took it out the sun. I had it wrapped. I put the volume 40 cream on here. And now let's see the results. I did just like 4 applications. See? And already you can see how white it is. Alright, so what you do, get a damp cloth after you take it out the sun, and just wipe it clean. Alright, make sure you get all the residue off. Alright, that should be good. Get you a dry paper towel, or you could do a dry cloth, clean dry cloth, and just wipe it dry. Thanks for watching. Please like, rate, and subscribe to my channel for more contents.